All right, for this lesson, we are going to be going through volume of spheres. So for this first one, we have a formula, and a formula is pretty straightforward, even though it does have a fraction. So our volume of spheres is going to be 4/3 pi r cubed, where we're cubing the radius. So really all we need to know is the radius of the sphere, and then we're good to go. So for example 1, we are given the radius. Remember, the radius is half of the diameter. So the 6 is going to be our r. So all we're going to do is plug it in. So we got 4/3 pi r, which is 6 cubed. And let's go ahead and calculate it. Now, it doesn't say to keep it in terms of pi, but I always like keeping it in terms of pi because it's the most exact. So let's go ahead and grab our calculator. So I'm not going to enter in the pi into my calculator. I'm just going to do the number. So 4/3 times our 6 cubed. And that's going to be 288. And then with my answer, I'm still going to include the pi. So 288 pi meters cubed per volume. Next one, I have the whole diameter. I don't need the diameter, I need my radius. So my radius is going to be half of that, so that's 9. So volume is going to be 4/3 pi 9 cubed. And again, I'm going to leave it in terms of pi, which means I'm going to leave out pi when I'm entering all this in. So 4/3 times our 9 cubed, and that's going to be 972. So 972 is going to be 972 pi meters cubed will be our volume here for this sphere. Next one, it says calculate the volume of a sphere with a diameter of 4. Again, I don't need diameter, I need radius. So I'm just going to cut that in half. That means my radius is 2. So volume equals 4/3 pi 2 cubed. So 4/3 times 2 cubed. And that gives me 10.6, or, so I could do 10.7 if I round, or 32/3. So that's going to be 10.7 pi, or 32/3 pi, what is it, centimeters cubed. So either way, depending on how they ask, would be the correct answer. And the next one, calculate the volume of a sphere that has a radius of 7. So I am just using that 7 as my r. So we get 4/3 pi 7 cubed. So 4/3 pi, which I'm leaving out, times 7 cubed. That's going to be 457.3. So 457.3 centimeters cubed.